What's up, YouTube? I'm just gonna do a quick video and show you all the other animals I have. My cats and dog. I have cats and dogs for eating.
This one's Toshi.
Toshi.
This is a cute kid. Here's Yoshi. Oh!
Yoshi's eating cat food.
He ate all of it.
You ate all the cat food, Yoshi.
He might go for that second bowl over there. Is he?
They're like empty. This one was full, but now it's empty because my dog ate all the cat food.
Toshi moved out of the way.
And that's my dog. My other. Now.
Oh wait.
Ah, come on, Yoshi. Those are cat food, man.
Hold on. Alright.
Here's Chihuahua. And on to my reptiles. I have a green iguana named Snub. He's a fast one. I got him.
Not as fast as I can get him.
You call him Snub because he has a snub. His tail is
He has
off.
he has a snub tail.
But it's on the process of growing back.
Hold on. In your. Hey, did you see that, guys? Did you see that?
Whip the camera. Let's do that again.
Alright.
Oh. He whipped the camera.
See, that's the first time you did that.
Alright, I'm trying to find you a home for Snubs. And maybe when you guys have one of the green iguanas, I'll probably sell them to you guys if you guys want him.
Yeah.
And I'm also finding a room for my next animal over here. Watch if we can find it. It's my red-eared slider turtle. I have it for like 5 years.
There's his face. Well, you can't see it because, well, hold on, bring it over here, Anson.
And he's really smelly right now. He's about...
I'm gonna die.
He's about 40 years now, because when I got him at the pet store, they say he was around 27 years old. And then onto my next reptile in my room, my pride and joy.
Anson, when's the last time you fed that thing?
2 days ago. Pride and joy.
Hey, don't forget about that lamp.
Right here. You guys may see him in the video. Let's hope he doesn't bite me as I take him out. Come on, buddy. Right here.
Anson, try it. Let him bite you.
My Nile monitor. Scourge. Oh, you can see he pooped out sand or whatever he just did. Oops. He's huge. Look at this tail. He's a monster. Look at that. He's a 2-footer. Oh shit, all that sand coming out. I'm gonna do another taming video on him because my last taming video wasn't so good. And I'm gonna do another care video on him. That's all the animals I have right now, but I'm planning to get more. I'm choosing between a leopard gecko or a bearded dragon or a corn snake. If you guys have any ideas of which one I should get, comment, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yo, Anson, I want to say what your Xbox Live game tag is.
Oh yeah, if you guys want to play me on Xbox Live, my gamer tag is King Reaper 414, and we'll see you next time.